Hi, I am Vimal Aswath. Today I am going to take class for 10th standard, chapter 2 polynomial. That is, I am going to teach one question. That is, find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x equal to 4x square minus 4x minus 3 and verify the relation between its zeros and coefficients. So here it is given two questions. That is, first we have to find the zeros of the polynomial. Then we have to find the relation between its zeros and coefficients. So first, to find the zeros of the polynomial. So first it is given f of x equal to 4x square minus 4x minus 3. So that is equal to, first we have to factorize. So 4x square, then I'm going to write 4x as 6x minus 2x, 6x minus 2x minus 3. So that is equal to 4x square minus 6x minus into minus plus 2x minus 3. That is 4x. That is, I am going to use splitting the term. So here 4x is 6x minus 2x. So 4x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 3. Next time join these two terms and these two terms. So 4x square minus 2x, here what is common? 2x is common. So I am going to take this outside. 2x, I take this outside. So here I take 2x outside. Therefore here 2 is remaining. So 2. Then 1x I am going to take outside. So 1x only remaining. So 2x minus, here I take it as 2x. So 2 into 3. So that is equal to 3. Then x I take this outside. Therefore 2x minus 3. Plus here 1 into 2x minus 3. So now 2x minus 3 is common. Therefore I take it as 2x minus 3 outside. So 2x minus 3. Then here 2x. So 2x. Here 1. Therefore 2x plus 1. So now I found the factors. Next, you have to find the zeros of the polynomial. So first we factorized. Then we have to find 0. To find the zeros of the polynomial, we have to put f of x equal to 0. You have to put f of x equal to 0, which implies 2x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So it is 2x minus 3 equal to 0 or 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 3 or 2x equal to minus 1. So x equal to 3 by 2. X equal to 3 by 2 or x equal to minus 1 by 2. Next we are going to verify the relation between its zeros and coefficients. What is the relation between zeros and coefficients? That is, sum of zeros equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Then product of zeros equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. These are the relation between zeros and coefficients. Now sum of zeros equal to, what are the zeros? We found that x equal to 3 by 2 or x equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore sum of zeros equal to 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. So that is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2. So that is equal to minus coefficient of x. That is, coefficient of x is coefficient of x is minus 4 minus 4 divided by coefficient of x square is 4. So that is equal to plus 1. Therefore here also we got 1 equal to 1. Therefore sum of zeros we verified. Next, product of zeros. Product of zeros. That is equal to 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 2. That is equal to minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. So product of zeros equal to constant term divided by coefficient term. Therefore constant. So that is equal to minus 3 by 4 equal to, that is constant term divided by coefficient term. So constant term here is, in this equation constant term is minus 3. Minus 3 divided by coefficient term is 4. Coefficient term is coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 4. So minus 3 by 4. Therefore the answer is correct. So sum of zeros and product of zeros are verified. Equal to the product of zeros equal to minus 3 by 4 and sum of zeros equal to 1. This is also 1. Therefore the relation between zeros and coefficients are verified. Next you try these problems. First question is find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial f of x equal to 5x square minus 4 minus 8x and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients of the given polynomial. Then next one, find the zeros of the polynomial f of x equal to 2 root 3 x square minus 5x plus root 3 and verify the relation between its zeros and coefficients. In the first problem, you have to arrange the f of x in standard form. F of x in standard form. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.